What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another service video on the Subaru, doing some more work on getting it ready for the season. It's got some things wrong with it. It's a broken girl. She's old. Get off of it. So today we're working on side skirts and probably some other stuff. I'll show you guys what's going on with it, but so far what we've got right now is, if you see it, we got a little bit of rust going on throughout here. Some of it I cut away to try to fix it, but the saving grace is this thing right here. Now, if you may notice, it doesn't like to hold on very hard. So what we're gonna do is, I don't know if, yeah, there's a couple holes through right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill some holes in it. As much as I don't want to do this because it adds crap to the outside of the car, but I don't want them falling off halfway through a drive. But we're gonna do it anyways because I don't have the proper tool or proper things yet. But we're gonna use zip ties. I think it's on this side. Basically, what it's gonna look like is there's just gonna be this little zip tie poking its little head out right there. But I'm thinking we can get one there, one on the end, and one down here. That'll be perfect because that should hold everything on there pretty well. Need drill bits. Should keep everything held on there pretty well. I'm gonna get my trusty dusty ramps. We're gonna see if we can back this car up. I don't know how well it's gonna go, but I can't fit my fat head up under that car, and I can't jack it up very easily. So these are gonna be the next best thing. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna put you guys right there. You're gonna be a little sideways, so if need be, stay. If need be, just kind of like tilt your head. All right, okay. You guys watch this side, and I'm gonna back it up and hopefully nothing happens that I break the car. I'm watching you. Oh, look at that. Look at how perfect that is. Oh my goodness. I'm like a professional or something. All right. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to see. Yeah, it's pretty rusty up under here. When I did the restoration, I didn't want to deal with this because it was so rusty. It was like, it would have been thousands to fix it. So I was just like, you know what? Screw it. I should be able to do that and it should be fun. All right. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna find our sweet spot. She's right there. We're gonna put a hole right here, but we're just gonna do it in the plastic for now. Just in the plastic. Now we're going to lift this up. We're gonna put another hole in it. We're gonna go through the metal. we're through. Let's see if I can pull this. Yeah, that's perfect. Beautiful. All right, so we got the zip tie put in. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna take a second zip tie and we're gonna cut the majority of the zip tie off to where it's just the head. And we're gonna take it, we're gonna shove that up in there. And boom, nice and solid. And then we can take our cutters, snip it off. And it really, I mean, it's not great, but it's not terrible. Like, it's just that little bit sticking out. And I mean, if you stand back, don't mind the spot on the, you really don't see it. And so I'm thinking that's kind of how we're gonna do it to prevent the sag. As y'all know, we hate the sag. All right, now we're gonna go to the other side and do it again. Alright, so I think I figured out what the rattling noise was. It's this stupid thing right here. This is the rear heat shield. And like all these were like majority of the way corroded through. And it's this flimsy aluminum that I hate. And so I just decided to pull it off. So this can now, we can take this guy right here. And throw it away, because we don't need that anymore, because we're going to be doing something different, which y'all will see in the next video, like I mentioned. Exhaust is fixed. I also put these guys on. These were hella horns. I got these from the company Overtake. Basically, this company came from, I think it was Subie. I think it's the company, if I remember correctly. I can't quite remember, but I talked to him at Subie Fest, and he explained, like the owner explained, like, yeah, we came from this company and started our own business, and so they are now doing Subaru stuff. They don't do my generation, sadly, but I believe they are planning on getting to the older stuff. They've just been doing a lot more newer stuff now. But yeah, so I got that from them. Got my horn all hooked up, so now I have a horn, so get out of my way. I don't want to make this video too long, but I think that's everything that I kind of wanted to get to. There's some smaller stuff that I want to do, but the main stuff I think is pretty much done. So, all right guys, I think that's going to be a wrap for the video. I appreciate you guys watching this far. If you like what you see, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified every time I post. And with that, I thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.